Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 10 centimes ng France na mayroong taon na 1995. At so tuloy lang tayo guys sa ating history dahil nasimulan na natin tong banggitin at i-share sa inyo ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng France. Tapusin natin to guys ang kanyang history. Page 15 na tayo guys. The New France. In January 1960, the France was revalued with 100 existing francs, making one Nouveau France. The abbreviation of NF was used on the 1958 design banknotes until 1963. Old 1 and 2 franc coins continued to circulate as new centimes. No new centimes were minted for the first 2 years. The 1 centimes coin never circulated widely. Inflation continued to erode the franc value between 1950 and 1960. Price levels increased to 72%, 7.7, 5.7% per year on the average increase, 51% to 4.2%. Only one further major devaluation occurred 11% in August 1969 before the Bretton Woods system was replaced by the free floating exchange rate. When the euro replaced the franc on 1 January 1999, the franc was worth less than an eighth of its original 1960 purchasing power. After revolution and the introduction of the new francs, many French people continued to use the term of old France, ancient France, for lump sums. For example, for the prices of the houses, apartments, cars. This was the common until the introduction of the euro, and even later many people, old and young, even those who had never used the old francs, still quoted prices in old francs, confusing tourists and people abroad. For example, Liberty prices were most often advertised in amounts of centimes equivalent to the old francs to inflate the perceived value of prices at stake. Multiples of 10 new francs or NF were occasionally referred to as a mile francs, thousands francs, or a mile valise. Valise being a slang word for France in context where it was clear that the speaker did not mean 1,000 new francs. The expression heavy francs. Franc lord was also commonly used to designate the new francs